Esther from ESSYCOOKS, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a high protein avocado toast. So if you're looking for a little bit of extra protein in the morning and a nice vegan breakfast, this is the perfect thing. So this is going to serve 4 people, and our secret ingredient is going to be tofu. All right, so first thing we need is 1 block of tofu. You can use silken tofu if you have it, but I just had regular firm tofu in the house, so I am going to put that into a high-powered blender or food processor. And then 2 ripe avocados. So if you're just making this and you want a smaller portion, you can cut this in half. You can just use half a brick of tofu and 1 avocado if you only have 1 avocado in the house. Ooh, perfect. Okay, next up we are going to add in the juice of 1 lime, so about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then to give it just a delicious cheesy flavor, a bunch of vitamins, and even more protein, we're going to add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Now you can actually salt it at this point if you want, but I'm going to be putting flaky salt to finish it at the end, so I am going to wait to add my salt. So now I'm going to blend this up until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Okay, so I actually do recommend adding some salt in before you blend it up. It really enhances the flavor. And I had some basil in the house, so I decided to add that right in for a little bit of extra greenery, maybe about a 1/4 cup of fresh herbs. You want it to be nice and smooth and creamy like this, and then you are ready to move on to the next step. So just make sure you have it very whipped and blended. Now, so I can pipe this super beautifully onto my toast, I'm going to just get an old Ziploc bag and put this directly in. I've got my toast here. I'm just going to put all of this filling into the corner and make a little piping bag like this. And then when I'm ready, I'm going to cut the end right here, and then I'm going to pipe it on. Just a little bit off. Perfect. Now I'm going to be putting mine into a Christmas tree shape because it is the holidays, it is Christmas time, and this is going to make the perfect holiday breakfast that's going to be nutritious, delicious, and festive. So I'm going to do that with both slices of toast. This amount will serve 4 people, so if you have some leftover, you can store it in the fridge. The lemon juice should keep it nice and fresh, so I'm just going to add now some pink flaky salt on top for decor, and I'm going to add some pomegranate because not only does it look good, it's going to make it look like little Christmas decorations, but it actually tastes amazing. I was surprised how good it tasted on here. I put extra on afterwards, and I put a little bit of a drizzle of some really nice extra virgin olive oil on top just to give it an even better flavor, but you can add a little honey, agave, whatever you like.
Taste test time! These look really, really cool. Okay, ready? I'm excited for this.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more vegan festive recipe ideas like this, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.